The roasted beans. Let us now learn some interesting facts about coffee.
Centuries ago in Ethiopia, Haldi, a goat herder, discovered coffee. He found that after eating the fruits from a coffee plant, his goats could not sleep all night. The coffee plant has a rough and whitish bark. It grows around 6 to 12 feet high. The most important part of the plant is the coffee bean. It is found inside the fruit of the plant. When the blossoms of the coffee plant fall off, a small green fruit grows in its place. It becomes dark red as it ripens, like a cherry. It tastes very good. The coffee bean is the seed of this fruit. It is covered by its pulp. Each fruit contains 2 seeds. The seeds are rounded on one side and flat on the other. The seeds lie with the flat sides together. When the fruits are ripe, they are plucked by hands. The seeds are then separated from the fruits. Before the seed can be used, it is roasted. During roasting, it produces a lot of aromatic oil. The more the oil released, the higher is the market value of the coffee. After the coffee is roasted, it is ground into fine powder. Once it is roasted and ground, it loses its aroma very quickly. The Republic of Yemen produces one of the finest coffee varieties in the world. It is called mocha. The Java coffee from the East Indies is also very popular. These beans are quite difficult to obtain. Rio coffee from South America is easily available and is consumed by most people in Europe and America. In India, coffee is produced in Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, and in the Northeast.
Do you like bhel puri? Come, let's learn how to make it. Listen carefully to the instructions to make this simple and tasty snack. Do not forget to clean the classroom after making it. Ingredients: a bowl of puffed rice, half cup sev, 4 to 5 sev puris or papri, 2 spoonfuls of roasted peanuts, half boiled potato, finely chopped, half onion finely chopped, 1 tomato finely chopped, 1 spoon coriander leaves finely chopped, 1 spoon raw mango finely chopped or lemon juice, a pinch of chaat masala, salt. Instructions: 1. Take the puffed rice in a large bowl. 2. Add the sev and roasted peanuts to the bowl. 3. Break the puris or papri into pieces and add to the mixture and then mix well. 4. Add the chopped potato, onion, tomato, coriander leaves and raw mango or lemon juice to the mixture. 5. Sprinkle some chaat masala and salt and mix well. 6. Garnish with chopped coriander leaves, sev and papri. Your yummy bhel puri is ready.
Learning Upgrade.
There are a number of adjectives that describe this car. New Italian, curvy, small, sports, beautiful, red. It's time to arrange them in the correct order. We need to know the order of adjectives. Article, number, opinion, size, shape, age, color, origin, material, purpose. The order of adjectives. One more time! Article, number, opinion, size, shape, age, color, origin, material, purpose. The order of adjectives. Put each word in its column. New is an age. Italian is an origin. Curvy is a shape. Small is a size. Sports is a purpose. Beautiful is an opinion. Red is a color. So we have a beautiful, small, curving, new red Italian sports car. Article, number, opinion, size, shape, age, color, origin, material, purpose. The order of adjectives. The order of adjectives.
Ooh.
Oh says ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. You hear the ooh sound in these words. Ooh, ooh, boots. Ooh, ooh, food. Ooh, ooh, moon. Ooh, ooh, spoon. Sometimes oh says You hear the sound in these words. Book. Cook. Hook. Wood. Let's read the words. Boots. Food. Moon. Spoon. Book. Cook. Hook. Wood.
Look at these lines from the poem. I could travel all the world. What an adventure it would be. The two lines are different types of sentences. Can you spot the difference? The first sentence is a statement, whereas the second sentence is an exclamatory sentence. Statement. A statement is a telling sentence. It gives information about something or describes something. It ends with a full stop. Examples. Tomorrow is a holiday. She ate a dosa. They went to a movie. Question. A question is an asking sentence. It asks for information. It ends with a question mark. Examples. What is your name? When will you go home? How many runs did he score? Command. A command is a telling sentence. It is used to give an order or to request for something. It ends with a full stop. Examples. Come here. Give that book to me. Clean your room now. Exclamation. An exclamatory sentence is used to express strong emotions or feelings. It ends with an exclamation mark. Examples. I won the race. I won't talk to you. That is a brilliant idea.
Like cookies, cakes are also an important part of Christmas celebrations. Chocolate cakes are a special favorite. Here is a girl talking about how she feels about this cake.
This is a chocolate cake. It is a tiered cake. It is big and round. It is brown in color with white icing on top. It is very soft and smooth. It is decorated with red strawberries. The cake is delicious.
A paragraph can describe an object, animal, or a person. We write about the shape, size, color, look, and so on. In this paragraph, the color, feel, look, and taste of the cake are described. Notice the paragraph has a topic sentence, a few supporting sentences, and a closing sentence. We can use different words to describe an object, animal, or a person. While describing the size and shape of an object, animal, or a person, we can use words like big, fat, tall, and thin. For describing the color and feel of an object, animal, or a person, we can use words like dark, bright, rough, and soft. Words like beautiful, lovely, cute, and dull can be used to describe the look, while words like bitter, fresh, sour, and yummy can be used to describe the taste.